Okay, so this is Conversations and Classics, and I know it sounds like a corny title, but if you look at the previous video that I posted, I asked a friend of mine a question, and then he did a video response to me. A while ago, he and I decided that we'd like to talk some classics, and that what we would like to do is to involve a broader community in this conversation, so that it wasn't just, you know, him or I lecturing on classics and then maybe, you know, talk or just even just sitting around talking to one another, because that's, you know, pretty boring. But to, like I said, embrace a larger community and to not necessarily just share our knowledge, but to generate some fascination about the subject, and to get other people involved in it. So when I threw the last one up, there was a question that I asked about the Spartan Perioikoi. So this one, because we want to get out into that bigger, we want to have a bigger conversation, not just with each other, but with you as well. It's going to be a little different. It's not just going to be me saying, hey, here's this thing I've been thinking about, and going from there. So the next one, I'm gonna do another video and post at the same time, and that one's gonna be a little bit more lecturing. I'm gonna have to talk a little bit about things. It'll still be about Sparta, so those of you who are interested in Sparta, hey, there you go. You'll find out a little bit of stuff. I'm gonna talk about Sparta probably for a while. So it's gonna be it's gonna be a little different, but the idea is that you have a basis of where you can come from. You know, the next one is going to be essentially, how do we know what we know about Sparta? And I'm gonna run through that and have a couple of questions that I might throw out there, but essentially that's going to be the bulk of it. And then I have another thing that I'm going to tag on the end of it. So the idea is to get you involved in it, to get everyone involved in it, and to throw it out there. So my name is Bob. My friend's name is Carl. He'll be posting video responses as well. So feel free to comment on our videos, and even to post your own questions and video responses. We'll certainly try and at least get back to you or whatever. So that's kind of what I see as the purpose of it. Carl may throw his own out there. We'll see. I mean, we live far enough away from each other that it's just not it's not physically possible to get together more than a couple of times a year. So a lot of this, I'm hoping, is not just going to be you listening to me talk and then you listening to him talk. That's not really what we want. We want you to get involved, and we want you to enjoy this. So I'm going to go on with the next one. So enjoy.